This is the Shure kick drum mic comparison. We'll be using the Beta 52, the Beta 91A, the SM7B and the SM27. Each mic has been placed in the appropriate position for it. They've all been gain matched and there is no EQ or processing. The mics have been recorded in the context of a groove so you can hear how each kick drum mic sounds with the other components playing too. Darren will now play a 4-bar groove and you will hear each individual mic in turn. SM27, warm open sound with a clear attack. SM7B, neutral response with a smooth high end. Beta 91A, superb attack and deep low end. Beta 52, full and punchy with a great low end response. This is the Shure snare drum mic comparison. We'll be comparing the SM57, the Beta 57A, the Beta 98 mp4 and the Beta 181C. The 4 microphones have been placed in approximately the same position. The gain has been matched and they've been recorded with no EQ or processing. The mics have been recorded in the context of a groove so you can hear the kick drum and the hi-hat at the same time and draw comparisons. Beta 57A, concise and has more bite than the SM57. SM57, industry standard and full-bodied. Beta 181C, natural and detailed response with good clarity and snap. Beta 98 AMPC, warm and natural with a full low end and extended high end. This is the Shure hi-hat microphone comparison. We'll be using 4 different hi-hat microphones. The SM137, the SM81, the KSM137 and the Beta 181. All 4 microphones have been placed in virtually the same position. They have been gain matched and they've been recorded with no EQ or processing. The 4 microphones have been recorded within the context of a groove so you can hear the kick and snare drum at the same time. Darren will now play a 4-bar groove and you will hear each individual mic in turn. SM137, clear sound with an accentuated top end. SM81, totally flat response. Beta 181, natural sounding with good sizzle. KSM137, smooth with a gentle high-end lift. This is the Shure overhead microphone comparison. Here we're testing 5 Shure overhead microphones: the SM27, the Beta27, Beta181C, KSM32 and the KSM44A. This is a mono test, so we're using one of each mic placed just above the drummer's head, looking down across the whole kit. Each microphone has been gain matched and it's been recorded with no EQ or processing. Darren will play a 4-bar pattern and swap from mic to mic with each pattern. SM27, extended low end, smooth mid-range. Beta27, neutral sounding with a tamed top end. Beta181, natural sounding for drums with sparkly cymbals. KSM32, honest and with a big sound, smooth off-axis response. KSM44A, honest, accurate sound with an extended body.